Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a red winged eyeliner look. And this is actually I think it's my first time ever attempting anything like this, like a colorful liner. So you're going to try it out with me. And I actually don't have any red or any colorful eyeliner besides white. So instead I'm going to be using liquid lipstick. I kind of want to do like, I don't know if I want it to be like a dark red to light red or light red to dark red yet, but I do know I want like an ombre effect. So for the dark red I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick, and then also for the lighter red I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade American Doll, so you can kind of see the color difference there. So I'm going to be using these two today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I do have a more in-depth video on my liquid liner, so we're not going to go too in-depth on that. I will have it linked somewhere up here in case you're interested. So I have just realized that all of my good brushes that I would normally use for this are extremely dirty. So for now I'm just going to use this little brush here. It looks dirty, but it's just stained, I promise you. So I think I wanted to go from dark red to light red. So I'm going to start off with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood. I'm going to take some just on like the back of my hand. Start off with that much first and we'll go from there. So now my brush is coated and here goes nothing. Oh no, it's transferred. Damn it. No. Okay. So now we're going to try not to blink. We are going to try to blend them as much as we can in the middle. I'm going to dip back into Unicorn Blood and apply that a bit more where they meet. Okay, we got that little snag right there, but we can go ahead and fix it later. So for that snag that we got there, I'm going to take a brush with concealer and just very carefully try to go over that. I want to set both colors with an eyeshadow, so I'm going to take my Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and for the dark red I'm going to take this shade here. Then for the lighter red, taking the shade on top of the first red we used. And then again, just packing that on top. So for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Loose highlighting powder. It doesn't have a name on it, but it was from the Goth collection, the Hollow Gloth collection. So we're going to pop that in the inner corners and the brow bone highlight. This is by far probably one of my favorite highlights I think I own. It's so beautiful. I really should not be highlighting my brow bone though, because my eyebrows have not been done in like ages. It's embarrassing. Pop a little bit more in the inner corner because Why not? Oh, it's so freaking pretty. A little more on the nose. I already highlighted everything else, but might as well do it again, right? I don't think that the camera does it justice, but trust me, it's beautiful. So I'm going to pop on mascara and lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to be using Morphe lashes. These are the style Hot Stuff, and don't judge me, but I did label them because the last time I had these pair of lashes, I got them mixed up, and I don't know why. I just struggled figuring out which one was which, so I labeled these so I don't forget. But look at how pretty they are. But before I put lashes on, I want to pop this in my waterline real quick. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Yogurt. It's kind of like a champagne-y shade, not so much a white, pure white shade like I normally go for. But it does help open the eyes a bit. So my lashes are on. Now to finish this look off with some lipstick, I'm going to try and see how this looks. I'm going to use the shade Honeymoon from NYX, the NYX Lip Lingerie. And it's this really dark shade. I'm not sure how it might look with this red eyeliner we got going on, but we'll give it a try. Alright, so that lip lingerie from NYX wasn't working for me, so I took it off, and instead I mixed two different liquid lipsticks together. I used the Milani Adorable liquid lipstick and also the Lime Crime Velveteen in the shade Buffy, and I just mixed those two on my lips. But that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have ever clicked on my video, thank you for clicking, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!